January 18th. It's after work. You're looking at the 170-gallon rebuild tank. I'm taking some water out of it right now because I'm still in the process of testing it, making sure that it's watertight. No leaks right now, so we're in good shape. As we had talked about before, you can see some of the cross bracing here, kind of doing an oblique shot of the tank. You got a brace in the middle and on the ends. You see the Euro bracing, pretty much like that, and the glass tops. It's really a nice looking tank. It's a rimless, turned it into a rimless tank. Originally it had a brace up top that went all the way around, basically a frame, the top of the tank, to kind of keep it more like a compression ring, and through time that compression ring failed and the tank leaked, and so we had to replace the compression ring. So we ended up doing that with the Euro braces that brace the tank in the longitudinal direction and the long direction, and then we've got the lateral crossings for the cross bracing, which you can see right there. And this tank's not going anywhere. And then actually on the back side where it had leaked, I had put some additional cross bracing. You're looking at the Aquascape. It's basically a coral setup. All this was live coral at some point in time. And I've got some coral rocks in there, and got some limestone and holy rock, some lava rock, and a couple of plastic plants. I've got two filters on it, two 100-gallon filters. It's a Marineland 360, which is rated for 100, which means that it's probably rated a little bit more than that. And I've got a Sun with the UV sterilizer that's probably rated for about 85 gallons. And I'm debating whether I do another filter, but I could do another filter if I had to. I've got a spare filter in the back. It's being supported by a steel stand that we've talked about a number of times, and we're going to put a wood planking on the bottom so I can use that as a shelf down there. And it's really a nice looking setup. Let me back up a little bit and show you what it looks like. This is the 150-gallon on this side, 6-foot tank, and this is the 170. And even though it looks a lot bigger, it's only 20 gallons bigger than the 150. The 150 is really like a 145, but this 170 is 170. I mean, it's a full 170-gallon tank. So, but we're just still testing it out, making sure everything works. But we're really excited about putting fish in this tank. And so hopefully we can do that in the next week or so after it's finished cycling. I'm in the process of doing that now. So this is the 11th in a series of about 12 videos. This is part 11. And look forward to doing the last one, which should be the adding the fish to the tank. But this is a pretty good look at the Aquascape. It's a killer tank. It really is. Gonna love to see fish in there. I've decided that I'm gonna go with African Victorian cichlids for this tank, and probably some blue frontosas and colorful fish. Very colorful. I'm probably gonna do something for the back. Probably put some board back there and to paint it blue or something. But I'm not gonna paint the tank. I don't believe in modifying the tank. So that's about it. It's about 4:30 on the video, so we're going to go ahead and make it a little short today. Again, this is the 170-gallon rebuild tank, part 11. Go ahead and like and subscribe if you want to. Tell me what you think. And we'll be in touch for that last video. Florida Fish, over and out.